Have you ever crossed a bridge so long it feels like you're gliding over the sea forever? Today we're diving deep into the story behind India's longest sea bridge, a marvel of modern engineering right in the heart of Mumbai. But what if I told you this incredible bridge wouldn't even exist if it weren't for Japan? Let's uncover the full story. The Mumbai Trans-Harbor Link, also known as the Atal Setu, is no ordinary bridge. With a total length of 21 kilometers, it connects Sewri in Mumbai to Nhava Sheva in Navi Mumbai. It's not just India's longest sea bridge, it's also among the longest in Asia. And guess what? It cost a staggering 77,840 crore rupees to construct. To give your perspective, that's nearly the size of a small nation's annual budget. But here's the twist. This bridge may never have seen the light of day if it weren't for Japan. The Japan International Cooperation Agency, GCEA, contributed an enormous 15,000 crore rupees toward the construction. That's right, Japan funded nearly 20% of the total cost. Why did Japan invest so heavily? Because strong transport infrastructure boosts trade, connects key ports, and strengthens diplomatic ties. Of course, India wasn't alone in building this engineering wonder. Indian giants like the Tata Group also played a critical role in the design, construction, and execution of this massive project. Hundreds of engineers, laborers, and planners worked tirelessly for years to bring this bridge to life. But all this advancement comes at a price. Quite literally, if you use this bridge, you'll be charged 75 rupees every time you cross. And if you travel daily, that adds up to over 1.5 lakh rupees per year just in tolls. Why so expensive? Because the Indian government needs to repay the Japanese loans slowly over time, and this toll helps cover the cost. But the bridge isn't just a money matter, it also brings environmental and social benefits. By cutting travel time between Mumbai and Navi Mumbai from 2 hours to just 30 minutes, it helps reduce vehicle emissions, fuel usage, and traffic congestion. Plus, it creates smoother access to Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust, India's largest container port. The Mumbai Trans-Harbor Link isn't just a bridge, it's a symbol of what collaboration, technology, and vision can achieve. And now, thanks to India, Japan, and the brilliance of modern engineering, the people of Mumbai are more connected than ever before. What do you think? Is this toll worth the convenience and development it brings? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.